Hello and welcome to Boomi Product Videos. This is part 4 of the Runtime Properties series, and today's property is called Archive Process Documents. As the name suggests, this property can be used to enable or disable the process document archival in your Boomi runtimes. The display name is archive process documents, and the property name within the container.properties file is com.boomi.container.account.archive.data. This property is disabled by default because of the disk space implications, but you can enable it depending on your business requirement. You will know how in the remainder of this video. So the steps to enable this property will be different based on the type of runtime we're using. So for a local atom or molecule, first you'll have to confirm whether the archiving feature is enabled in your account. If it isn't, please reach out to your Boomi account executive. Once you confirm that the feature is enabled, you'll have to go to the container properties and enable this feature. Now let's move to the platform to do so. Here I have my local atom and I am in the properties section under settings and configuration. I'll navigate to the advanced section, and here I'll have to enable two properties. The first is archive process documents, and the second is processed documents directory. Where is that? Ah, there it is. All right. So here. And once that's done, I will save my settings, and upon a restart, these properties will be enabled and my runtime will be ready for archive. If I'm using a private Atom Cloud, the steps are slightly different. Before we head into the enabling part of this exercise, we'll have to confirm whether the feature is enabled in both the cloud owner's account and the attachment owner's account. So once that is done, the activities are performed at two levels. The first is the cloud owner level. So let's go to, this is one of my clouds, and I have navigated to the Atom Management page and selected my cloud, and I'm in the properties section under advanced. As you can see here, the archive process documents and the process document archive directory are already enabled for this cloud. If they are not, you will have to select them from the drop down, very much like I showed a few minutes ago for the Atom, and restart your cloud to add them as the container properties. Once that is done, you'll have to enable or allow archiving by adding this property in the cloud management page. So let's do that quickly. So here I'm in cloud management. I've selected my cloud. I've gone to the instance. And here I have the enable process document archiving property. Right now it's set to false. So I'll change that to true and save it. What this does is at the parent cloud level, I am allowing the process document archival, and I am setting the base folder for that. Now here I'm enabling it at the instance. So if I have 10 different instances and only 5 of them want to utilize this feature, then this will allow me that level of control, and it will not force this feature upon anybody who does not want to utilize it. Now, once that is done, we'll go back, and the next step falls on the Atom attachment owner. So once the cloud owner enables this, the Atom attachment owner goes to the account properties section. And once that loads, they'll have to select, let's give this a minute. All right, so in the advanced tab, I'll have to select the first property on the list, archive process documents. add this property and enable it. As you may see here, I have a lot of options because I am enabling it for the same instance, which is my actual cloud. But if you're enabling it in one of the instances, which is not the parent cloud, you will see significantly less options. That is absolutely normal. And once I save this, this will be updated, and that is it. So one more thing to note about the archival process is that whenever your atom or molecular cloud, which has these properties enabled, is restarted, the runtime verifies whether that directory is available or not. If it isn't available, it will create the directory. So please make sure that this directory is available, and especially if you're working with um, multi-tenant environments, or if you're working with molecules, make sure that they are available from all the nodes of your cluster. That's it about the process document archival. If you'd like to take a look at the previous and the next videos in the series, the names are on your screen. Thank you. Have a great rest of your day.